Good morning children, welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. I think you have gone through yesterday's class and you have answered the exercise 1 in that. Okay, and some of the children have sent to me. So no need to send like that children, you just cross check your answers. Okay, because very easy answers. So that's why I did not ask you to send. So any case means it is little bit difficult, you may feel. So that type of solutions you can send. Okay. Now, in today's session, we are going to solve the problems which are there in the exercise 2.2. Okay. All of you open your textbook. Page number 34 children. Page number 34. So I think yesterday I gave you notes also. So that one also you just copy in the notes as I told you yesterday. Okay. So now you can continue this one in classwork book. And remember children, write the question. For every sum, write the question very clearly. Okay. See the first question here. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and x equal to 2. There are three sums given basing on that. Okay. See here. Actually find the value of the polynomial. What is the given polynomial here? Given polynomial is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. If you want to write this one as p of x also. Why? Because it's a polynomial of x. X is only one variable, no? So yesterday we discussed in the class. So x means polynomial of x. So polynomial of x equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You can write in this way. Now what is the first question in that? First Roman first question. X equals to 0. X equals to 0. That means wherever x is there, you have to substitute 0. Now we have to find p of 0. That means x value is 0. So p of 0 equals to 5x means, what is the meaning of 5x? You know, 5 into x. So 5 bracket 0 minus 4. I am telling you children, you will feel that sums are very easy. But the minus and plus when you are placing, definitely you will do a silly mistake. So you should be very particular about that area. X square. So bracket x means 0. 0 whole square plus 3. Okay. Now 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4. 0 square means 0 into 0 is 0 plus 3. Now 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. Now these two are zeros, so no value, so plus 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay, is it clear now? Now in that 2 and 3 sums are there, you can take it as a homework. Okay, now we'll go for the second sum, second Roman. Okay children. Now see the second question children. What is the second question is given? Find p of 0, comma p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Means in one question they ask p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. So what is the first question here given? P of y is given. So p of y is given that y square minus y plus 1 is given. Now what he asked to find is asking us to find p of 0. Okay, first we will find for p of 0. So p of 0 means what you have to write? Wherever y is there, you can write 0. Okay, so p of 0, y square means 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square means 0 minus 0 plus 1. So p of 0 is 1. Therefore, p of 0 equals to 1. The same question he asked p of 1. So p of 1. That means wherever y is there, you have to substitute 1. So y square means 1 square minus y means 1 plus 1. 1 square means 1 because 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So you got 1. Therefore, P of 1 equals to 1. Next, P of 2 means for the same question, he asked that to change the values P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Now, wherever y is there, you have to substitute 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square means how much, children? 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. Now 4 plus 1 because both are positive, 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, P of 2 equals to 3, children. Okay? P of 2 equals to 3. So is it clear now the first question? Okay, children. Now see the third question here. What is the third question there? Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Means what? See here, what he has given, I am writing here the question. He has given that P of x equals to 3x plus 1 and he has given x equals to minus 1 by 3. Okay, the question is like this. Just for understanding purpose, I wrote this first question to you. Verify whether the following are zeros. Zeros means you know that? You know zeros means what? Whatever the value substitute here, means whatever the value is given here, x equals to minus 1 by 3. See, in the question it was given very clearly. Indicated against them. That means after this question, he gave x value. X equals to minus 1 by 3. Okay. So x equals to minus 1 by 3. Now if you substitute this x equals to minus 1 by 3 in the given polynomial x, if you get the remainder 0, that means the solution is 0, then it is 0 of the polynomial. If you did not get the remainder 0, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, children? Now, see here, I will explain the same question here. P of x equals to 3x plus 1, comma, x equals to minus 1 by 3. Okay? X equals to minus 1 by 3. Now, see the solution here. What is the value of x is given? X equals to minus 1 by 3. That now, P of x equals to 3x plus 1, the given question. Now, wherever x is there, substitute minus 1 by 3. So, P of minus 1 by 3 equals to 3 into x value is minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So, 3 get cancelled. So, minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0 because minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 polynomial. Actually, you know children, 0 polynomial means it's a root. To be frank, if you substitute minus 1 by 3, you got the value 0 means it's a root. Okay. Now, so x equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 polynomial. Next, in that you may get doubts like sixth sum. So whatever doubts you are getting, such type of models I am doing here. The sixth question is P of x equals to Lx plus m, where x equals to minus m by L, where x equals to minus m by L. Okay. Now, see the solution children. P of x equals, write whatever the x is given. So, x equals to minus m by L. Now, P of x equals to Lx plus m. Now, P of what is x? Minus m by L. Minus m by L equal to L, x means L into x. L into minus m by L plus m. Now L get cancelled. So minus m plus m. So both, one is positive, both are m's but like terms, but one is positive and one is negative. So get cancelled. So got 0. So P of minus m by L you got 0. Therefore x equals to minus m by L is a 0 of the polynomial. Is a 0 polynomial also, no problem. 0 polynomial. Okay children. Next. Copy these two sums in CW also. Now see the last one, that is fourth question children. Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Find the zero of the polynomial. Now is asking to find the zero of the polynomial. That means you have to find the x value now. Now you have to find the value of x, and is given clearly that zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial in the sense, what he has given the first question, p of x equals to x plus 5 is given. Zero of the polynomial means, you know, that means p of x equals to 0. Zero polynomial means what? The polynomial of x equals to 0. Now what is p of x here? X plus 5. So x plus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 0 plus 5 means plus 5 will go that side, means minus 5. So x equals to minus 5. That means you have to find the value of x now. Okay, find the zero of the polynomial. Why? Because x equals to minus 5, I'll tell you. See here, if you go in reverse order, x equals to minus 5. Okay, you got x equals to minus 5. Just simply I am explaining, not a sum. How you got it 0, I am telling you. How, why you have to equal to 0. So x equals to minus 5. Now this minus 5 will come this side, means minus 5 will come this side, means plus 5. So x plus 5 equal to 0. Is it clear? See the question. 0 of the polynomial means you have to make this one to equal to 0 and find the value of x. Then you will get the value of x. Okay children. If any time the question they may ask, what is the 0 of the polynomial of ax plus b? What is the 0 of the polynomial of ax plus b? Then you have to do like this. Ax plus b equal to 0. Ax equals to minus b. X equals to minus b by a. So like that you have to do it. Okay. Now go for the fourth sum now. Okay. Now see the first question here. P of x equals to x plus 5. So solution. You gave 0 of the polynomial now. So p of x equals to 0. That means x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 plus 5 will go that side, means minus 5. So x equals to minus 5. Okay. Next. I will do again 7th sum children. Okay. I will do for you 7th sum. Okay children. See the 7th question there. P of x equals to cx plus d, and he has given that c not equals to 0 and cd are real numbers. CD are real numbers. Actually, to be frank, real numbers means, you know, rational numbers and irrational numbers together call it as real numbers. And actually all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all comes under that only. Okay. Now p of x equals to cx plus d. Now see the solution. P of x equals to 0. Okay. That means cx plus d equals to 0. As he gave that c not equals to 0, means if c becomes 0, there is no solution. That's why he told clearly that c should not be equals to 0. Now cx equals to 0 plus d will go that side, means minus d. So cx equals to minus d. So x equals to minus d by c. X equals to minus d by c. Okay children. So these are the sums from exercise 2.2. See, in 2 days we completed two exercises, but not it is completing, but how far you are gain knowledge, that is more important. Okay. Now maths homework chapter 2 exercise 2.2 1 first Roman, second Roman, third Roman, fourth Roman, remaining sums. Okay, means what are the sums I did not teach, those all sums you take it as a homework. Okay, is it clear children? Now if any doubts, just simply post one message to me, sir I have a doubt, immediately or after some time I am calling you and asking you to come to video call and you are clarifying your doubts. Very well, I have learned, so many children I have seen, that means they are telling that sir very nicely you are explaining through video call like that. Means I am telling the particular time, they are sending one message, so at that particular time I am telling, if they are free and myself it is free, then we are explaining. So if it is 1 or 2 persons are like that also, if any doubts, but mostly we are meeting in Google Meets once in a week or twice in a week, once in a week, or for 15 days for you, because 9th standard, for every 15 days, means for 1 week gap, and again next week we are meeting. So in that also you can clarify your doubts, no problem. Okay children, have a nice day children.